Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Creative Fun Haven. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and super Christmassy. A bright, cozy Christmas stocking. Are you ready? Wiggle your fingers, stretch your hands, and let's start drawing. First, let's draw the big stocking shape. Start by making a curved line down, like a candy cane bend. Now curve it around at the bottom and bring it back up with a nice gentle curve. Great. It should look like a big letter J that's a little chubby. On the top of your stocking, we're going to draw the fluffy cuff. Make a big rectangle or a soft rounded shape sitting right at the top, like a comfy pillow. Now let's make our stocking look extra cute. At the bottom, draw a little oval patch for the toe. And on the side, draw another small patch for the heel. These help make the stocking look cozy and sewn. Time to decorate. You can add stripes, stars, hearts, candy canes, or maybe little snowflakes. Let's add 3 or 4 decorations together. Draw one small shape, now another, and one more. Wow, it's already looking magical. Don't forget the loop. Draw a tiny curved strap on the top corner so we can hang it by the fireplace. Now it's coloring time, my favorite part. You can use red, green, blue, gold. Any color you love. Let's make the stocking bright and cheerful. Take your time and enjoy filling it with Christmas magic. You did such an amazing job today. Your Christmas stocking looks so festive and fun. Don't forget to join us again on Creative Fun Haven for more cozy Christmas drawings. Until then, keep smiling, keep creating, and keep spreading holiday cheer. Bye!